You can write a full YouTube script in just 5 minutes using this free AI tool called ChatGPT. Here's how it works. Go to Chat, open AI, com. Once you're in, type this prompt into the chat. Write a 3-minute YouTube script about your topic. Make it beginner-friendly and structured with an intro, tutorial steps, and an outro. Let's say your topic is how to stay productive while working from home. ChatGPT will instantly give you a full video script. It's that simple. If you don't like the tone or style, just add to your prompt. Make it more casual. Make it funny. Use Gen Z language. Shorten it to 2 minutes. You can even ask for multiple versions or request that it sounds like your favorite YouTuber. Once you're happy with the result, copy the script and paste it into Google Docs or Notion. You can easily format it, edit it, or add notes. And that's how you write a full YouTube script in under 5 minutes using ChatGPT. No more writer's block. No expensive copywriters, just fast, easy content creation with AI. If this video helped you, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered content tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating.